Righty, here we are. I'll do a video on a bit of a breakdown of this pump. I've just installed this one. It's been running here for many years. I actually put it in 21 years ago when my son was born, and I've moved it from, it's just around the corner here. Well, we've put done a little bit of fencing in there here. We're going to do a reserve, dedicate it to John Harrison, who designed these pumps. Now, here's this pump here. You can see I've put a new valve on it, reconditioned it. Just do a demonstration of how to turn the pump off. Real simple. Pull the valve up, you stop in the motion. Start again, push down. When you first install one of these pumps, they need to have back pressure in this line, which is the line that goes up to your house, water tank or whatever. The pressure needs to be far greater in there than where the water's coming from, the drive pipe. So for a start, when you first install them, you have to operate them by hand. They'll keep stopping in the up position, just like that, and you have to hit them down. Once the back pressure's there, away they go on their own. So very basic. I'll just run you through how this one's set up here. It's going to be a bit hard to see because we're in the bush a little bit. Got stainless steel drive pipe here running up, quite a few lengths. I'd say at a guess it's probably close on 10 metres of fall on this pump, so it's got quite a bit. Yeah, quite a nice little patch of bush here. You can see the drive pipe is sitting there. Doesn't matter really where it runs, what angle it's on, doesn't matter. What creates the drive for your pump is the vertical height between where the water's coming from to where the pump is situated. Alright, we'll quickly get up the top here. And this is where we have another pump running, and what we're doing is we're catching the excess water with that pump into that trough, and that's what's driving that pump. So these two pumps here on our family farm, and this one here is pumping to two houses in a cottage, and then this one going down here is pumping to the main part of the farm and my house and a cottage we've got on our place too, and my mother's little cottage that she's got. So yeah, so both of them are pretty much supplying two houses and a cottage. Yeah, very simple, as you can see there.